view of the Invicta Grand Diver automatic watch 24 jewel. 19808 with the blue ring, and in the same family you have the Invicta 809 with the gray ring, or the 810 with the red ring. This is a very precise watch. As you can see, it has 24 jewel. You can see the mechanical movement behind it, that the unit is, you can see the clock. I have checked the precision of this watch. Amazingly, this watch is losing about 1.25 seconds per day, which is very good when you consider that superlative chronometer from Rolex are precise plus minus 2 seconds per day. This is a Japanese movement, the NH35A and S11. That movement is made by Seiko. There is 24 jewel onto that movement, and as I say, the precision is amazing for the price you pay. The crown is having 120 click to go around. And on the right side you can adjust the time and the date. The good thing is, when you pull the crown completely, the second hand is stopping, which means you can adjust the watch to the second. Then you can verify its accuracy. To verify the accuracy of your watch, you can use world time. The difference between the watch is basically what you see here is the color of that ring. You can have a blue ring, a red ring, or a gray ring. At the beginning, I was tempted to send that watch back because there is a miniature scratch on this point. When I checked the precision of this watch using world time, I was so amazed that I say, what is the probability that the next watch I receive will be only 1.25 seconds off for every day? So I decided to keep this watch. This watch was mainly bought to swim in the ocean, where a barracuda can mistakenly take a silver watch for a shiner and attack your wrist, leaving you in trouble in the middle of the ocean. With the black watch, there is no attraction for the fish, and it's the main reason for this watch to be used. This watch is also watertight to 300 meters. I believe this will be very good in the water, as I have another Invicta watch that is 9 years old that I've swum in the ocean, but there was a risk with it because that watch was a silver watch. You have a very nice clasp that should last for a long time, and as you see, it's a machined clasp. It's not a thin metal clasp. As you can see, 300 meter automatic watch. You never need a battery. 41-hour power reserve. And I will pull the crown completely so you can see the second hand is stopping. This watch can be used as a chronometer, as second hand is stopping when you pull the crown completely. The movement, when you adjust it, you feel it's very smooth. You can see the blue ring of the watch. Now you have the movement of the watch made by Seiko.